another episode. Today's episode, we have a technical analysis on stellar lumens here, currently up about 5.5% for the day, but we're looking at the Satoshi value almost up 5% for the day, sitting at 4,705 Satoshis. But really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 428 billion. Today's volume is 31.5 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 36.9. Bitcoin up about 0.5% for the day. So it looks like we're still doing some consolidating there. Ethereum up 0.38, still doing consolidating as well. Ripple up 2.5, sitting just below 86 cents. Bitcoin Cash up almost 1. EOS up 12, just broke the $20 mark. Cardano up 15, nice. Litecoin up almost 1. Lumens up 5. Tron up 6. IOTA down almost 2. NEO up almost 4. Big winners today. Eternity up 32. Nebulous up 30. Waves up 28. Ontology still moving like crazy, up 27% for the day. Stratus up almost 10. This one's a steal, guys. You guys need to look at the chart on that one. Huge steal. Let's go. But you folks came here for some lumens. Market cap is sitting at 8.1 billion. Today's volume is 156 million. Circulating supply 18.5 billion. Total supply 103 billion. Dang, that's a lot. Major exchanges here, folks. Binance, Upbit, Pallinius, Bittrex. It is, but it isn't actually. OKEX, Kraken. Who else? Ripple, Fox, and hit BTC. Looks like are the major exchanges there. Let's go ahead and look at some price action that you folks came here for. Oops, switch this back over to the daily. This is BTC USD on the daily, folks. As you can tell, still doing a lot of consolidating. What I'm actually waiting for is that break and close above 9,300 on the daily. Looks like we did get it yesterday, and we're actually coming right now down to test for support. But I'm not going to take a buy yet. I'm going to wait for, a bigger push. I don't really like how that closed above that level. I know it did close above it, but I don't know. And now it's coming back down to test for support. So I'm going to wait for that break and close above 9,400, and then I'll be deciding to add to my position. But this is just my personal opinion, folks. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Ethereum still doing the same thing as well, folks. Still staying inside this big master candle. So what I'm actually waiting for, let's switch over to the 4-hour. What I'm actually waiting for is a break and close above 695. Once we do break and close above 695, we should be good to go. I think Ethereum might come as low as about 660 to find support and then bounce towards the upside. So 2 entries. Wait for the break and close above 694 or wait for the bounce at about 660. Let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin doing the same thing here. Staying inside this master candle. Consolidating. Momentum showing us we are heading towards the downside. We have not bottomed out yet. Go ahead, switch over to the 4-hour, see what the 4-hour is showing us. 4-hour shows us we have a pretty solid resistance here at about 155. So what I'm going to be waiting for, folks, is a break and close above 155 on the 4-hour. Once we do break and close above 155 on the 4-hour, Litecoin should be good to go. However, for now, I think we'll be coming all the way down to about 150 to find support and then bouncing towards the upside. But you folks came here for some Lumen to BTC technical analysis. Bittrex is the broker. TradingView is the platform, folks. Don't forget it. As you can tell, momentum has bottomed out, heading towards the upside. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Uptrend confirmed, I would say. Probably start from down here, actually. Bounce. We didn't quite get there, but, sometimes they're not going to touch, sometimes they will. However, we did still form that higher high, higher low. And now we're looking to form that higher high. However, we do have a major resistance here at about 5,000 Satoshis, all the way up to about 525 Satoshis. So let's go ahead and switch over to the 4-hour, see what the 4-hour is showing us. So one possible entry right off the bat is you folks wait for a break and close on the 4-hour above 4,805. Once we do break and close above 4,805, Lumen should be good to go. Or you could wait for Lumens to actually make a retracement. Go ahead and take on my paintbrush. Possibly down to about 4,300 and then bouncing towards the upside. What I'm most likely going to be waiting for though, folks, is because I won't be watching Lumens as much, is I'll actually be waiting for I'll probably set a buy stop right above here at about 4,813. So as soon as we break 405, or what is it? So wait for the break and close, Wait for the break and close above 4,820. I'm setting my stop at 4,850. That way, you give it a little bit of room to breathe, and when it does activate, it'll just pick it up and it'll just move, and you won't be in any of the red. You'll be straight in profit. But another scenario, let's switch over to the 1-hour. Delete this. Another possible scenario, folks, is looking at the hourly, we actually come only down to about 4,500 and then head towards the upside. That's why I'm saying I'm going to most likely just be waiting for this, because I don't want to be staring at my screen all day, just kind of waiting for it to find support. We are in an uptrend, market is bullish again. Just kind of be patient. I'm expecting it to, maybe most likely come down to 4,500. Great psychological support, great, major support as well. So wait for it to bounce at 4,500 and then head towards the upside, or wait for that break and close above 6,000. Oops, not 6,000, 4,825. So wait for the break and close above 4,825 on the hourly, or the bounce off 4,500. But again, folks, this is just my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. Let me go ahead and zoom out. Where do I see Lumens going in 2018, guys? Well, I'm pretty sure this target's going to be blown. So I feel like it's easily going to not even be 7,000 or 6,000 Satoshis. I think Lumens could easily be about 15,000 Satoshis towards the end of 2018. But again, this is just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. This is just the beginning of the bull market. We're literally about to break our all-time highs here. So, the sky's the limit. The moon's the limit. Momentum starting to head towards the upside. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed. You have post notifications turned on, and you give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.